Many people know that coffee is considered the most common beverage. So is the fact that most people start their day with it. But there are other no less interesting facts, not only to coffee lovers, but to everyone else. Fact 1: At the end of the 17th century, the British king ordered the closure of all coffee houses in the country, because according to his opinion, there were constantly gathering residents of the country in opposition to him. The monarch's example was followed by the leaders of other large countries at the time. Fact 2: There is quite a clear division between the consumption of different sorts of coffee. For example, 70% of coffee lovers give preference to Arabica and 30% to Robusta. Arabica has a very pleasant taste, but Robusta contains more caffeine and has a rather low price. In the process of making instant coffee, the two types are mixed. Fact 3: Coffee trees can grow up to 9 meters long. For ease of bean harvesting, most producers give preference to low trees. Fact 4: The lifespan of a single tree is up to 70 years. Fact 5: Only red coffee beans contain coffee beans. Fact 6: If the coffee beans are not roasted yet, they can be stored at room temperature for up to 12 months. Their taste and quality will not deteriorate. It is interesting that the properties of coffee beans begin to disappear 2 days after roasting. Fact 7: This much-loved Americano coffee, which today has many variations, was invented during the war in the 1940s. At that time, soldiers could not drink such a strong drink, popular almost all over Europe, and asked to add water to it in order to at least slightly weaken the taste. Fact 8: Espresso drinks have less caffeine than drip coffee, because the espresso method is much less effective than drip coffee. This is due to the fact that it takes a few minutes to brew the drink, and the water practically does not interact with the caffeine, therefore the amount of caffeine is not so high. Fact 9: In the countries where coffee trees are grown, their fruits are still harvested by hand, which is necessary to ensure maximum quality of harvesting. An experienced specialist, who has been gathering coffee beans for many years, can in one working day gather up to 7 crates of beans, each weighing up to 90 to 100 kilograms. For one basket a man receives from $2 to $10. But when the beans are dried and roasted, the value of one box increases to $100. Fact 10: The Finns consume the most coffee. One adult can drink approximately 6 cups of medium-strength coffee in one day.